Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you switch to desktop mode on iPhone. To switch desktop mode on iPhone, you need to install your Chrome browser. Make sure that you have installed your Chrome browser. Now just go to Chrome and in the Chrome, you need to first search something, and after searching something, just click the bottom last three dot icon. And now just from this serial, scroll here and here you can see request desktop site, click on it. Now here you can see after clicking it, your site has become desktop now. So guys, that's how you can switch to desktop site on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.